All right. Doing a list of galaxies, potential galaxies for this upcoming February dark window that I could use for galaxy log. And one of them was this NGC 3107 in Leo at magnitude 13.4. And I found it interesting. It was near this star around 7.5 magnitude, maybe slightly fainter. And it kind of reminded me of Mirac's Ghost with the beautiful star Andromeda Mirac with the background galaxy NGC 404. And this would be a much fainter version of each, both the star and the galaxy. But I thought, hey, let's go for it. Here's where NGC 3107 is located. It's just slightly northwest of Regulus in Leo, the brightest star in Leo. So anyway, we have a challenge, the CAS Challenge, ChesMont Astronomical Society Challenge here, and it's not this galaxy. When I was looking for galaxies, potential galaxies, and I was using a wide field and like that, and I saw, here's where 3107 is right here. Here's the star. 3107 is right there, and looking for other potential galaxies in the area. And what caught my eye was down to the southwest here with this Y shape here. And I said, that looks pretty neat. And switched to another survey, a different survey. The galaxies stand out a little more. They usually tend to be a goldish color, yellowish gold color. And saw these, well, first of all, I saw these two brighter galaxies right here. And you could see then maybe a little bit that these are also galaxies. So I zoomed in a little bit here, back to the original survey and see what they look like. And here are the two brighter galaxies. And in this Y formation, which is made mostly of galaxies, are these faint galaxies, much fainter galaxies. So this is what we have. We have over here these two brighter galaxies, NGC 3080 at 13.6 magnitude. And then this slightly brighter galaxy, IC 585 at 13.4. And then we have the grouping of galaxies here, which are much farther away than these two galaxies. I thought the first thing was very interesting was this PGC 28850 and PGC 28851, this edge on and this other galaxy. They're fairly close. Checked it out in NED to see how they compare, and they're fairly close. So maybe in the distant future there'll be a merger. No, never know. But it is a true group, and they're over 500 million light years away. So as far as observing them, these two over here should be seen in a mid-sized telescope on a really good night at a good dark site. The challenge would be these guys with the larger scopes. And I'm thinking more 16-inch and up to get a decent view of them and maybe pick out the individuals. I'm thinking about with my 12-inch f4, maybe, if I'm in a really good dark location, it's a really good night of actually going for them, or at least try to see if I can see any of them. But I think it's going to take a 16-inch or larger scope to really start saying, yeah, I can definitely see them. So it's a good challenge. It'll be a good challenge to see how many you can pick out. Here I have some different views, wider field and reverse view. So you can actually, if you want to, you can do a screenshot and take this out to the field with you so you can identify them. First, you have the wider field here, and you have the two brighter galaxies are right here. And then a little bit closer up view, there's two other PGC galaxies down here. And then the closer up of the main part of the group right here. The faintest one is, like I said, they're all 15 magnitude and dimmer. Faintest one is that I saw that I could find out was this PGC 1421600. It's right here, which is like around 16 and a half magnitude. So that's going to be the toughest one, definitely to see. But hey, it's a good challenge. It's an interesting group of galaxies. You're really out there, as I said, at 500 million plus light years. So good luck and clear dark skies.